and earning of this. Okay, that's the second part. The company hired one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? So first of all, you have to find the area of this wall, how much area is covered, and then we will see the rest of the part of the question. Is that clear?
Yes.
So let us find the semi perimeter. So S is equal to 120. So the sides are this. A is equal to 122 meters. B is 122 meter and C is 22 meters. So semi perimeter is A plus B plus C divided by 2, right? So 122 plus 120 plus 22 divided by 2 meters. Now that becomes how much? So 2 into 4 and then 2 to 4 and then 6, and this is 264 divided by 2 meters, and this is equal to, yeah, so 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into 3, and then 132 meter is the semi perimeter. Is that clear? Okay. Now you have to find the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle. So from Heron's formula, we have square root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, right? So that is square root of s we have found 132 into 132 minus a is 122, 132 minus b is 120, and then 132 minus c is 22, right? Square root 132 into 132 minus 122, so you will get 10 here, right? And then 32 minus 20, so you get 12 here, and 32 minus 22, so you get 0 1 110. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you have to take square root, like, so if you factorize 132, what you get? 2 into 6 is 12, and then it becomes 12, so 2 into 6, then 2 into 3, right? And then 3 into 1, and then 11 into 1. This I'm getting, right? So anyway, write it like this. So 2 square into 3 into 11 I'm getting here, correct? Then I have, okay, this 10 can be written as 2 into 5, right? And then this 12 can be written as 2 into 6, 2 into 3, 3 into 1. So it will be 2 square into 3. Is that clear? Into, now 110. So 2 into 5 is 10, then 10 is 55, then 5 into, and then 11 into 1. So it is 2 into 5 into 11. Is that clear? Okay. Now see, I have 1 2 square here, right? So 1 2 will come out. Then another 2 square here, another 2 will come out. And then 1 2 here and 1 2 here. So there's another pair. So one more 2 will come out, right? Okay. Now 3. So I have 2 3. As you can see, 1 3 is here, 1 3 is here. So one of the 3 will come out. Then again I have 2 11. 1 11 is here, 1 is here. So 1 11 will come out. And yeah, I have 2 5. 1 5 is here and 1 5 is here. So 1 5 will come out. Is that clear? Now you can multiply.
Yes.
2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 3 is 24, and 11 into 5 is 55. Now you can multiply this. So 55 into 24, 4 into 5 is 20, and 2 into 5 is 10. 5 is 10 and 1 11. 2 3 1320. I'm getting 1320 meter square because it's area. Right? Now I'm interested. Now see here in the question, there are two walls, right? One wall is here and another wall is here. Okay. But the company hired one of its walls. So I'm interested only in one wall. Otherwise, I have to add the area of the other wall also. Is that clear? So I'm considering only one wall. Okay. Now the advertisement yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year, right? So basically, what is the rent of uh, uh, you can say wall for 1 year, right? Because in the question per year rent is given. Is that clear? That means in 1 year you have to pay this five. How much was it? 500 per meter square. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
That means for 1 meter square you have to pay 5,000 rupees. It means that per meter square means for 1 meter square you have to pay 5,000 rupees. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now your total area is this. That means you have 1320 meter square. So what will be your rent? So rent of one wall for 1 year, right? Uh, so your area is this 1320 meter square, right? And multiply by this. Like for 1 meter square, you have to pay 5,000 rupees and you have this much meter square. So you will multiply it by this. Understood? So rupees 5,000 and is that understood by everyone?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Or you can use unitary method also. Like if you are confused, so just do it this way. It will make things clear for you. So basically this is given in the question that for 1 year, this much is the rent. Okay. So you write uh, for 1 year, right? Rent for 1 meter square is equal to rupees 5,000. Is that clear? Per meter square means for 1 meter square, this much is rupees. And then for 1 year, rent for 1320 meter square will be this rupees 5,000 and multiply by 1320. So I think it's simple now. So 40 you can put 1, 2, 3, 4. Now multiply by 5. 5 into 2 is 10, carry 1. 5 into 3 is 15 and 1 16, carry 1. 6. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So this is for 1 year, right? Now the company is taking it only for 3 months. Do you understand the question? Only for 3 months they are taking, and in 1 year you have 12 months, right? So this is for 1 year, and for 1 month if you want to find, so for 1 month, right? So you are converting this 1 year into 1 month. So what will be the rent? Rent is equal to this 6 and then 1 2 3 4 5 0 and divided by 12. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you are interested in 3 months. So for 3 months your rent will be 660000 divided by 12. So this is for 1 month and then multiply by 3. Now is this clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Now you can just do the calculations. That's it. So if I do it here, so it is, so 3 into 1 and 3 into 4 is 12, right? So you have to divide everything by 4 here. So you get 4 into 1 is 4, and then 26. So 4 into 6 is 24, and then 20 to 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the answer I'm getting. And if you can put comma, so this is rupees, okay? Everything is in rupees here because this is rent. Is that understood by everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So just do it like go in a flow like this, okay? Third question now. Yes, Zainab, are you in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
So we were doing second question of Heron's formula. If you want to see here.
Okay.
So let me just explain quickly. So basically this is a wall, right? This is a flyover,
Yes.
and these are some triangular walls which are used for advertisements, okay? So the company is interested in one of its walls. So that is why I'm taking only one wall, not the second one. And the dimensions are given. So first of all, by using Heron's formula, we have found the area of this wall, and this is what we got. Clear?
Okay.
Okay. Now in the question they are saying the advertisement yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. That means like in 1 year, rupees 5,000 per meter square is the earning, or right?
Yes.
Or so if a company is hiring one of its walls, so how much rent did it pay? So basically this is the rate of rent which is given. So in the question it was given that for 1 year, rent for 1 meter square is this much, right? And then you have got this much meter square, so you multiply and then you get this much. Is that okay? Now this is for 1 year you are getting, and you want to find for 3 months. So first you convert it into 1 month. So for 1 month you divide by 12, and then for 3 months then you again multiply by 3, and then you get this rent. I hope it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, question number 3 now. So there is a slide in a park. Okay, one of its side walls has been painted in some color with a message: keep the park green and clean. If the side of the wall are this, find the area painted in color. Do you get it? So these are the stairs, and then from here you slide. Understand? So this is the side wall. Is that clear? So ultimately,
Yes, ma'am.
so there is nothing in the question. You have to find the area of this wall by using Heron's formula. So it's like a triangle whose some sides are given. This is 6 meter, this is 15 meter, and this is 11 meter. It's like this. So A is 11 meter, right? So find S, semi-perimeter, A plus B plus C divided by 2. So 11 plus 6 plus 15 and divided by 2. So you get 6 plus 5 is 11 and 1, 12, and then 2 and 32 by 2 I'm getting, which is 16 meter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the area of the triangle. From Heron's formula, it is S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So this is S is how much? 16 meter, right? Or you can put the meter in the end. So 16 into 16 minus 11, right? And then 16 minus of 6 and 16 minus of 15. And here you will get meter square because this is area. Okay, I'll tell you how you are getting meter square afterwards. So 16 into 16 minus 11 is 5. 16 minus 6 is 10 and into 1, right? Meter square, right? Okay, so you can break these terms. 16 can be factorized as 2 into 8, 2 into 4, 2 into, so 2 to the power 4, we can write it, into, then you have 5, and 10 can be written as again 2 into 5 and into 1, right? Meter square. So you have 2 to the power 4. So that means 2 to the power 2 will come out. Clear? And this, you have 2 5 here. So one of the 5 will come out. And the inside you have 1 2 which is remaining. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Meter square. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 5 is 20. So 20 root 2 meters square is the area of the triangle. Is that understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just an additional note. I mean, it's not a part of question. I just want to make you understand one thing, like how you are getting meter square as the unit, right? So this is the area. See here, S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C and then square root, right? Okay. See, S, these are all length, isn't it? When you're finding S, now try to understand one thing. This is A plus B plus C divided by 2, right? Now everything is in meter. These are length. So meter plus meter plus meter and divided by some number, right? So meter plus meter plus meter. So ultimately the answer will be in meter. So this semi-perimeter is actually a length whose unit is meter. Is that understood? Yeah. So inside the square root, this S, basically the unit is meter, right? And then you have meter minus meter into again meter minus meter into again meter minus meter, right? So then you have meter Now when sum meter minus meter, so the answer is going to be in meter. Is that understood? See, this m is not a number that m minus minus 0. Meter minus meter means, for example, you are doing 12 meter minus 6 meters. So the ultimately answer is going to be in meter. Is that understood? This is what does it mean? Okay. So again, meter minus meter, you get your answer in meter. So again, meter minus meter, you get your answer in meter. So now you have 4 meter inside square root. Okay. So when that means 2 of the meter will come out, right? So ultimately the answer is going to be in meter square. Is that understood? Zainab,
Yes,
Zainab, is
ma'am.
that understood?
Yes, ma'am.
I just
Yes,
wanted,
ma'am.
okay, I just wanted to give you some idea that why you are getting meter square all of a suddenly. So you don't have to do it, just understand from where you are getting meter square in the formula. Okay. Anyway, next question now. See, units are very important when you will go in the higher classes, especially class 11th and 12th. There's a special chapter only only on units. So that is why I ask you to pay attention to units always. Anyway, find the area of a triangle, two sides of which are this, and the perimeter is this. So what will you do now? So two sides are given, right? So A is 18 centimeter and B is 10 centimeter. C, you don't know. Okay. And perimeter is given. Right? Okay. So semi-perimeter will be half of the perimeter. Is that okay? Will be 42 centimeter and divided by 2. So you get 21 centimeters. So you have got your S. Okay. Now C, can I just take it to be X centimeter? Yeah. So in a triangle, basically, one side is 18, right? One side is 10 and one side is X. So if I add all the sides, I'll get the perimeter, isn't it? So perimeter is equal to 18 centimeter plus 10 centimeter and plus X centimeter. Is that okay? Now
Yes, ma'am.
perimeter is already given, which is 42 centimeter. So this is equal to 18 uh, plus 10 centimeter and plus X centimeter. So when you take centimeter common, it get cancelled from both the sides. So you get 42 is equal to 18 plus 10 is 28 plus X, right? So 42 minus 28 is equal to X. How much is it? 12 minus 8 is 4 and then 3 minus 2 is 1. So 14 is equal to X. So that means your side C is equal to 14 centimeter. Is that clear? So you have got the third side of the triangle and you have also got S. Now you can find the area. Clear? So area of triangle is equal to, by Heron's formula, S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Right? The value of S is 21 into 21 minus, okay, one side is how much? 18. No, what was my A? A is 18, B is 10. Okay. So A is 18, B is 10, and then oh sorry, 21 minus 10 and then 21 minus 14, right? So this is under root 21 multiplied by 21 minus 18 is how much? 19, 20, 21. So 3 into 21 minus 10 is 11. 21 minus 14. So 11 minus 4 is, yeah, how much? 7, right? Yeah, okay. What? Yeah, 7 I'll get. So this 21 can be written as 7 into 3, right? And then 3 into 11 into 7 and centimeter square. The answer is in centimeter square. Now you know from where you're getting it. Okay. So 1 3 will come out as you can see, and then 1 7 will come out, and 11 will remain here. So you get 21 under root 11 centimeter square, right? Because I have 2 7 here, and then I have 2 3 here. So 1 each will come out. Yeah, have you written? See, I can
Yes,
scroll.
ma'am.
I can also scroll the screen. If you can ask me, I'll do it. So just feel free to say. Next question number 5. The sides of a triangle are in the ratio, okay, and its perimeter is given, find its area, okay. So when ratio is given, okay, so that means you have to take them like this. Let the common ratio is x, right? So then the sides are this. So 12 is actually 12x, and then 17x and 25x. So do you understand this thing? I think I explained it before also. Now try to understand it here if you have forgotten. For example, there are two sides, okay? And I'm saying that the sides are in the ratio 2:3. Is that clear? Or
Yes,
4
ma'am.
or 4:3. Okay, let's say 4:3. So can I say that one side is 4 meter and other side is 3 meter? Can I say that? Now try to understand. For example, like two sides are A and B, right? So the ratio of A and B is actually given to you. That A is to B is basically 4:3. So I cannot say that A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 3. Why? Why I cannot say? For example, A is 12, right? And B is equal to 9. And I want to find A upon B. So what will I get? I get 12 upon 9, which is again 4/3, isn't it? Yeah. Now, for example, my A is 20 and B is 12. Again, I find A upon B. So this is 20 divided by 12. So, no, I should take it 16. Okay, so 16 by 12 and I divide by 4. So again, I get 4 upon 3, right? So that means it's not necessary that always A is equal to 4 and A is equal to 3, right? For this value of A and B, I'm also getting 4:3. For this value of A and B also, I'm getting 4:3. Is that understood? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Zeba, is that understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So basically, see here, when I'm taking like 4/3 into 1, so I'm getting 4/3, right? When I'm getting 4/3 into 2 into 2, so I'm getting these sides, like, sorry, 4 into 2, 8 and 6. Okay. Now when I'm doing 3/3, so I'm getting 12/9. That means this side I'm getting. So 4/3, 4/4, if I multiply, so I get 16/12. So that means this side. That means for all the sides, right? 4/3 is always there, okay? And then some number is multiplied. Either it's 1/1, either it's 2/2. So the same number is multiplied in the numerator also, in the denominator also. Here also same number is multiplied in the numerator and denominator. Same number is multiplied. So the sides can be 4 and 3 also. The sides can be 8 and 6 also. The side can be 12 and 9 also. The side can be 6 and 12 also. And an infinite number of sides you can take. And all these sides will give you the ratio 4:3. Is that understood? Yeah. So always 4/3 is multiplied by a common ratio, as you can see, isn't it? So if I call this common ratio x, so that means 4/3. Now, if I multiply by x/x, so whatever value of x is 1, x is 2, x is 3, all these sides will be having a ratio 4:3. Is that understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is why in this question, we cannot take A is equal to 12, B is equal to 17, and C is equal to 25. No, we have to multiply everything by a common ratio. Understood? So when we multiply them with the common ratio, now these are the sides. So x can have any value. X can be 1, x can be 2, x can be 3. So all these sides will be in the ratio 12:17:25. I hope it's clear now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Earlier also, I think I explained this thing, but anyway, let us come back to the question now. So the three sides are this, okay, right? Now perimeter is 540. So perimeter is 540 centimeter. So that means 12x plus 17x plus 25x is equal to 540 centimeter, right? Now you can solve it for x. Please add them. How much you get? 7 and 5 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Then 1, 3, 4, 5. So I'm getting 54x is equal to 540 centimeter. So x is 540 divided by 54 centimeter. That gives me x is equal to 10 centimeter, right? Okay. So that means the sides are. So your first side A is 12x, which is 12 into 10 centimeter, which is 120 centimeter. Clear? Second side is B, which is 17x. So 17 into 10 centimeter, right? Now third side is 25x. So that means 25 into 10 centimeter, 250 centimeter. So you have got all the three sides ABC, find its area. So find the semi-perimeter first of all. So you don't have to add because it's already given. So you can do 540 divided by 2. Clear? Meter, centimeter. So this is 2 into 2 and then 14. So 2 into 7, 270 centimeter. Now you find the area. S is 270 into 270 minus 120. Right? Now you can simplify. 270 into, so this is 0 minus 0. 7 minus 2 is 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. 150. Right? First of all, you can simplify it like this. See, you can see everything is multiplied with a 10 here, right? Just to make the numbers small, can I just write everything like this? This I can write 27 into 10, right? This 150 I can write 15 into 10. Then 100 I can write 10 into 10. 20 I can write 2 into 10. Is that clear? So that now you have 4 10 here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means 2 10 will come out of the square root. So 10 into 10 I am taking it. Is that clear? So inside you only have 27 into 15 into 10 into 2. Is that understood by everyone here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you have got the numbers, at least small numbers you're getting now. So 100 is outside. Now you can just break it. So 27 is 3 cube basically, right? 3 cube is 27. 15 is 3 into 5. 5 is 2 into 5 and then into 2. And this is in centimeter square because it's area. Everywhere please write. Right. Now you have 4 3, right? So 3 to the power 2 will come out. And then 1 5 will come out and 1 2 will come out. So this is 100 into 3 into 3 is 9 and 2 into 5 is 10 centimeter square. So you get 9 into 30 centimeter square as the answer. Please everybody do the calculations on your own. See, in this chapter, like in exams, you will get values so that you can solve them like this. Okay. So you don't have to take square roots, etc. You always factorize it, make pair, and then take outside. So such numbers will be given to you in exam. So not very complicated square roots will come. Understand? But do them carefully. Okay, one last question of this exercise. Now an isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter, okay, and each of its equal side is 12, right? It's an isosceles triangle, that means two sides are equal. So let the third side be x. Centimeter. Okay. So your A is how much? 12 centimeter. B is also 12 centimeter and C is x centimeter. Now perimeter is given. That means sum of all the sides is given. So right, that means A plus B plus C is equal to 30 centimeter given. So A is 12 plus B is 12 and this is x is equal to 30 centimeter. So this is 24 plus x is equal to 30 centimeter. So this is also in centimeter, right? So x is 30 minus 24 centimeter. So x is, how much is it? 6 centimeter. Okay. So you have got the third side, or C is equal to 6 centimeter. Oh, now you need S. Semi perimeter is half of the perimeter. So perimeter divided by 2, which is already given. So 30 centimeter divided by 2. This is 15 centimeter, right? So now it's simple. Now area is equal to square root of S into S minus A. Now S is 15 centimeter multiplied by 15 minus of 12. So this is also 15 minus 12. And this is 15 minus of 6, right? Okay. So this is 15 into 15 minus 12 is 3 into 3. And this is 9, right? So 15 can be written as 3 into 5. So 3 into 5 and then 3 into 3 and this is again 9, 3 into 3, right? So you have got yeah, so from this like one of the 3 will come out, right? So 3 into 3 will come out and 3 into 5 will remain here. This is everything in centimeter square. So 9 into 3 into 5 is 15 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. Okay, now we have time. I'm giving you one question to solve. All of you will do it and tell me the answer. So I'm writing here. The lengths of the, please write down. The lengths of the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 3:4:5 and its perimeter is 144 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle. Please do it and tell me the answer. Yes, Zainab. Have you got the answer?
No, ma'am.
Why no? We have just done a similar question, right? Where the sides
Yes.
were in the ratio. So please do it same way.
Okay.
Jesslyn, have you tried?
No, I'm not getting the answer properly.
What is the answer you're getting? Please try it the same way. We have just done one question, right? Where the sides were given in the ratio. It is the same question. Please do it. Yes, you are right. It's 864 centimeter square. So you should get this answer, both of you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyway, I'm ending the class. Time is over. So we will continue in the next class. Yeah, okay. Whose exam was very near?